When I came and did the factory tour, I understood how intentional you guys are with your design and what you guys are trying to do to have safer dentistry. And one of the comments that was made was that you guys even drilled down to the patient experience, to when they hear a metal instrument hit a metal tray and how uncomfortable that could make some patients. And from a clinician standpoint, and understanding the materials and things that you guys use for your instruments to just avoid that type of situation, really hit home for me, because it's hard to manage dental anxiety and still deliver safe dentistry. So I was pleasantly surprised and just really, really happy to have had a chance to kind of take a tour and meet the team here and really understand your core values.